Are you ready for a flavorful and healthy recipe that will transform your breakfast routine? Let's kickstart the day with this green omelette that is not only delicious but also packed with brain healthy goodness. So get ready for an explosion of nourishing flavors. We only need 3 fresh veggies: green bell pepper, baby spinach, and green onion, and we start by chopping all of them very small so they cook faster. My teenage son loves to make omelettes. In fact, they are one of the first recipes he ever learned. Our weekday mornings are a bit rushed, so he usually makes omelettes on the weekend for himself and his little sister. After chopping the veggies, we beat an egg, which we then set aside. Did you know that eggs are bursting with high-quality protein, essential for tissue maintenance and repair, giving energy throughout the day? Eggs are also rich in choline, which helps boost production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter needed for memory and mood regulation. And let's not forget B vitamins, which support energy metabolism and brain function. The next step is to grate cheese and set it aside. Our family's favorite cheese for omelettes is cheddar cheese, which is flavorful and a bit salty. I'm curious to know what's your favorite cheese you add to omelettes. Let's now heat up olive oil in a small frying pan. We then add the green pepper and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes until it softens. It's time to add spinach and green onion and cook them for another minute. The combination of iron, vitamin C, fiber, and low glycemic index in spinach gives a feeling of fullness and helps keep blood sugar levels stable. This in turn promotes constant energy and focus throughout the morning, preventing mid-morning energy crashes. Let's add the egg and spread it like a crepe. When the edges of the egg are slightly brown and the middle is set, turn the burner off and sprinkle the cheese. Cheddar cheese is a nutritional powerhouse that supports energy, brain function, and production of neurotransmitters with its rich content in protein, fat, calcium, vitamin B12, tyrosine, and phosphorus. And it's also yummy! The next step is to fold half of the omelette over the other half. Are you ready to dig in? Let's serve it warm, topped with salsa verde, avocado slices, green onions, and cherry tomatoes. Avocados are one of my favorite fruits. They have a very small impact on blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index and rich content in fiber and heart-healthy fats. This helps prevent energy crashes and keep constant energy levels during the day. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and nourishing omelette. Let's make another brain-healthy recipe for breakfast. A casserole that also features eggs, spinach, plus a secret ingredient. My family loves it, and I hope yours will too.